all my young birds, go through them, read off all the band names, and try to see who I got in the loft. As a lot of them, I don't even know who the parents are. I got it written down, but just memorizing who they are, about 75% I can't really tell who is who. Probably go over the video, edit it, and put their band number and name on there just for personal reference. Yeah, like 40, I think 39 birds to catch. So here's a little view of all my birds for the team this year for 2022. Start off with this guy. BlueBar. How many BlueBars we got? We'll start with the blues. 51. That's 51. The big boy. Another blue. 71. So 71. Nice bigger size blue. Let's see. This one's got to be a hen. A little smaller size. Smaller to medium. 66. 66. Big one. This one's on the large size. 48. If I was to guess, this is probably Shot's kid. 48 in there. One of them large BlueBars. Almost like a hen, smaller to medium size. This is a medium bird. Grab the head. $65. Don't handle my birds much, so super feisty. 65. Medium sized BlueBar. Band number 70. 70 and 71. Whose birds are those? Yeah, I can't even tell you who the parents are right now. It feels good. 70 feels good. The young one. Got little white marks on the back. Smaller end, smaller medium. 69. 69 might be a Wolverine pair, baby. This one actually looks alright. I think the sibling is the one that kind of looks a little oddball looking. Let's see how they perform. Mom was the egg I got from Jim that I hatched out under one of my birds. One is 14,531. It's the nest mate to the one I bred to Johnson. This is Somali mixed with Johnson's Featherfoot. I got the hen. I'm pretty sure Johnson got the cock of the nest mates. So 14,531. There. BlueBar with like some cream looking shade on there. So it should be nice. Be interesting to see how this guy performs. Who's 58? My guess is second round off of Jim's BlueBar pair. That's how bad it is. Can't even tell who is who. 58. Putting all these guys in crates for now. My 2 tossing crate. Might do a little short toss. Pretty windy day today, so I'll probably just do a little short at the end of the driveway type of deal. Not too far. Feels nice. Medium size to large. 57. Nest mate to 56, I'm pretty sure. So 57. Put that on there. Well, yeah, you know, to do a BlueBar team versus the Czech team, and about half-half. Nice smaller hand, smaller BlueBar, smaller medium. Feels good. $63. Get that down right there. $63. Next one.